Alright, we got a CSX eastbound train coming down the line. The time is now 5:30 p.m. You're at Lake Avenue and Blasdell. Oh my god, he decides to go for them. He's retarded. Before we get to this video, oh my god, he did it. Oh my god, they're retarded as fuck again. Want to get the video, a big thumbs up, notifications, and let's just right now. Wow, he got B5. Oh wow. Talk is really slow. 5:30 p.m. by that. Usually it's 5:20. Someone was running a CSX IO10. The IO10 originates from Chicago, Illinois, at Bedford Park, heads east to Port Newark, New Jersey, where terminates all on this Sunday, June 30th. It's 124 by Burning the Railfanning on YouTube. Got there just in time before I missed it, guys. So hopefully I can see the 911 again, leading M364. Right now, it's doing work at the living yard, but it's on. Here comes the next video. Roll it. Alright, we got another CSX train coming down. Long time is now 5:38 p.m. This is my second CSX of the day, guys. So, what do you have for a train, guys? It's a manifest. Someone that's running a CSX M367. The 367 originates from South New York, heads west to Chicago, Illinois, where turns at the clearing yard. Onto the next trend clip. Roll it. Alright, we got another CSX eastbound train coming down the line. Time is now 5:47 p.m. And this is my third CSX of the day and my second eastbound. So, what do we have for a train, guys? He literally is going slow. Okay, it's not I-158 though, it's different than that. They usually have like blue containers for the other like containers for containers. This is not I-158. And plus it already ran earlier in the morning. It already ran like in the afternoon, so I didn't miss I-158, so it was not 158. So it has to be the I-168 or maybe. Okay, that was I-162. That's probably like the latest I-162 that I've ever seen, guys. So yeah. So yeah. This train is going slow. It's really slow. Going slow like a turtle, huh? I'm trying to hear. Oh, I-162. That was amazing. Could be I-162. Oh, that's so weird. Oh, that one's late. I-162 it is. Oh my god, this stinks, bro. The smell, bro. Disgusting smell. Probably like one of the latest like CSX I-162 ever seen, guys. Maybe, or maybe not. But it's not I-158 because the 158 ran earlier in the afternoon, so no, it's not 158. slow. One of the longest I've ever seen, guys. Probably one of the longest and slowest. Move a little faster though. You should move faster. I mean, Seneca Yard, I'm right in the east side. Yeah, this train might be going slow. It's working the Seneca Yard. Going very slow. You just hope this train can actually end before. But I-168, I was wrong. I see auto racks in this train. It's I-168. I was wrong. I was wrong. I thought it was like CSX I-162. Turns out it was like I-168 because of the auto racks. So yeah, so no. Now I know someone now, guys. Someone in the train is CSX I-168. The 168 originates from Chicago, Illinois. The National Yard heads east to Port Newark, New Jersey, where terminates. I think what is this training in the camera? It turns out to be like one of the running late, I guess. That's right here. Not the auto rock in this one. So I hope this NS310 coming down the line because actually M364 is actually working in Cleveland, so I'm probably not gonna catch that train. If not 11, it's fine because like I might not catch that train because like it's working at the Cleveland Yard now. And if it didn't work at the Cleveland Yard, then it probably would have came in the afternoon or so. I can see it again some more time. Who knows? I saw it the last time like when I was like Railfanning at Clever Bank Road back in April 30th, I believe. I don't know the date. I think it's April 30th. I gotta double check the date. Oh, here comes the auto racks. This picture should end soon, guys, because of the auto racks. I mean, yeah, this is I-168, 100%. It's almost ending. It's going really slow right now, huh? There could be a part two like before, guys. You never know. I'm gonna like put the captions in the video before. And I see the end. sure it is. Yes, it is. Wow, this train is really long. Come on, don't stop it. The end's right here. Come on. Literally, the end is right here. Don't stop the train. Come on. He is really going slow, huh? This train here. But yeah, I might not get like a part 2 in this thing. Cause I already see the end of this train right here, guys. You know. This train is moving slow. It's getting slower and slower. Like the rest of the clips. It's like 11 minutes I recorded the video, guys. It's like, it's been like 11 minutes. Like, wow. I mean, it makes it longer because of how slow the train is, guys. How slow the train is making the train like a bit longer. Now, actually, the cars are actually backing up because they can't handle the longer. And yeah, I'm gonna stop the train, guys. How do you get to stop the train? You're almost about to end, guys. You know what? I'm not gonna record part 2 because of how this thing's gonna end, guys. So yes. Actually, no. He's still moving now. He's still moving. You guys are almost ending. Come on. Don't stop the train. I have like 100 like gigabytes on my phone, and I'm not wasting it by not recording the train, guys. But yeah, here comes the cars. They're about to calm down. Wow, guys. Interesting. I don't even know why he's going like track number 3 yet, because usually Seneca Yard still. They're train here, guys. The I-168s. Never see one of these working in the Seneca Yard before. These are just all rushing the front 2 yards. You never know. You're in this I-168, so yes. Don't even know where to put in the caption because I don't even know like. Find like a picture, like a nice caption or a nice thumbnail or whatever. God damn it. All right, here. Here's the NFC. It says I-168, guys. Onto the next train road. All right, we got another CSX westbound train coming down. Line time is now 6:15 p.m. So what do we got for this train, guys? He's want to run fast. This train, guys. So what do we got for this train, guys? It looks like a Mac leader, guys. Looks pretty cool. This Someone that's running a CSX I-003. 003 originates from South Carolina, New Jersey, heads west to Chicago, Illinois, where it turns at Bedford Park. Onto the next train clip roads. Alright guys, we got another CSX train coming down the line. Time is now 6:30 p.m. and this is my 5th CSX of the day, so what do you have, guys? Someone that's running a CSX I-AA. The AA originates from Rose Lake, Illinois, heads east to Syracuse, New York, will turn at the D-Wood Yard. We're on to the next train clip roads. We're moving on CSX, last night we're coming online. Time is now 6:50 p.m. so we got for train, guys. Number 8, 127 train on second. I'll be for TM. Because I'm trying to look for the CSX, no, NS 310. Not this nice thing here. Whatsoever. Okay, where is NS 310, guys? Okay, this is I-158-7. Air tables, huh? train, guys. Looks like. I'm using this train a lot. So many irritated was, huh? It doesn't end. Sit on the train is CSX I-157. The 157 originates from South Carolina, New Jersey, heads west to North Baltimore Highway terminus onto the next train roads. Alright guys, we got Norfolk Southern eastbound train coming down. Line time is now 7 o'clock p.m. So we'll be back for this train, guys. This is my last train of the day, guys. Norfolk Southern 14M, NS 14M, originates from Conway, Pennsylvania, heads east to Buffalo, Norfolk terminus at Bison Yard. And that is my last train that we're going to have in the video, guys. So if you guys like the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more train reviews by Railfanning on YouTube.